Cheeky vodka with coco. What's her name? I think Coco. Fuck with her cause she loco. Mixed up on Duna Loso.
Hi guys, it's Kels here again. So today you guys, I'm coming to you with a bag review. So today's bag is going to be the Louis Vuitton Toiletry pouch 26. I bought it the other day and I thought let me just come on here and show you guys just in case you wanted to grab one because it's so popular on Instagram and like social media and stuff. I wanted to just come and like show you and tell you my thoughts on it just in case you wanted to purchase it for yourself. So this is what the packaging looks like, you guys. It's just like standard box with the Louis Vuitton sign on there, and it's just got like a little claspy thing here, and inside you get the dust bag and the actual bag inside of it. So this is what the dust bag looks like, just as Louis Vuitton. You just open it like that, and then this is the actual bag. So it's pretty cute and classic as well. It's got the little zipper on here. It's got the zipper and the tag right here just says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. This is what the inside looks like. It's just a massive hole, but you can fit loads of stuff in there, your keys, your phone, your wallet, everything else. This holds a lot. So I'm gonna tell you guys if you should buy it or not based on my experience, and I just feel like it's not one of them bags that you want to run to get it. Well, it shouldn't be your first Louis Vuitton bag. Let's just say that you won't get a lot of use out of it. I used it like twice. I feel like if you want like an everyday sort of bag, this is not the one for you. But if you do have like different Louis Vuitton purses, you can go ahead and get this just for like little quick night outs where you don't want to bring too much, you don't want nothing on your shoulder or on you. You could just hold it like a little clutch. You can use it for like your makeup stuff as well. So with that, I'd say if that's what you want it for, to like bring little stuff around on quick trips and stuff, then definitely get it. But if you want like an everyday bag, this is not the one. You could use this for like holidays as well to like bring around your little stuff. But otherwise from that, I wouldn't, if I had the chance to like return it, I would. But it's been so long now, I can't take it back. But yeah, that's it for the video, you guys. I don't want to like drag it on too much. I said what I had to say. So that's my thought on it. It's a really beautiful bag though. Like it's a cute little purse bag toiletry thing, but as for like everyday use, it's not the one. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye guys.